20% of the number. I can calculate tax, tip, discounts, and uses of any number.
Excellent. Thank you, Claire Wood. I appreciate it. Tax and tip, you guys. Tax and tip would be what? Increases. Discounts would be decreases. Excellent. Increase, decrease, or discount, you know what they are. Of is a big one. What's of mean, you guys? And what does is mean? Equal. Okay, cool. Percent of a number. We were writing number sentences. So when I said, or when I gave you, what is 4% of 12? Really, the what is the x equals, right?
Yeah.
X equals, what is the x, the variable? We're trying to figure out what is equals. 4%, do we ever calculate with percents?
No.
So we automatically converted it to a?
Decimal.
What's of mean?
Multiply.
So there's our multiplication sign, right? 12 is 12. 0.04 times 12 is 4,800. Yes, no?
Yes.
Excellent. Could you turn that into a proportion?
Yes.
Yes, if you look down here, we actually turned it into a proportion. Because we know 4% of 100 is the same as something over 12. Yes, no?
Yeah.
We lined up the labels. These two are percents, and these two are the numbers we're trying to calculate, right?
Yeah.
B, same situation. C, same situation. D was a little bit of a different situation because it was 20%. So 0.2, yes, no?
Yeah.
What's of mean? So we got 0.2 times what number is what's x, right? Or some sort of variable. What does is mean? And what does 18 mean? 18, right?
Yeah.
So then you can solve algebraically because you guys are capable of doing so, yes or no?
Yes.
Could you write a proportion for that one if you really wanted to?
Yes.
Yeah, totally. Kind of like the truck problem that you're going to see a little bit later in the video. E is again similar. Move down to number 3. $100 jacket, 15% off. That's a sale, right?
Yeah.
That's a discount, right?
Yeah.
So we find the value of the jacket, the percent value of the jacket, and we subtract because it's a discount, right? If I said we had a $100 jacket and we want to increase the price by 15%, you would find the value of the 15% of the jacket and you would
Add.
So you do one or the other depending on what you're looking for. A, we increased it by 30%, so you add it. Alice got this really cool mixer for $195. Yes, no?
Yes.
Mom, Dad paid 7% tax. First thing I did is I estimated the value, and I think said it should be around $209, right? Because 7% of 195 is basically 7% of 100 twice. Yes, no?
Yes.
So we took 195, we multiplied it by 0.07, because you move the decimal point how many places when converting a percent to a decimal?
2.
2 places to the what?
Right.
2 places to the left. Who's saying right? Why are we saying right? 2 places to the left. Stop saying right. Not quite sure why you would say right. Somebody's saying right. Okay, and then we got our final answer because we added the 1365, 195 times 700. 1365 got 208.65. Last one, Ford lot, cars. We wrote a proportion, solved it, 25 trucks in the Ford lot, or we actually wrote an algebraic equation. What's the first thing you should do when writing an algebraic equation, guys? Assign the variable. When you assign the variable, that makes it a lot easier, I think, because we're trying to find 16% of a certain amount of trucks. We're going to be blue, which is 4, right?
Yes.
The cheat sheet is essential to calculate. Let's see if we can get up there. Too far? To calculate, increases or decreases, you, everybody.
Find the percent of the number.
Stop. Find the percent of the number, and then you either
Add or subtract to the given number.
So add or subtract whatever the number is that we gave you.